create this look. Actually, I am not going to create this look. This look actually done by my sister. She is a makeup artist. Here is my sister. She is a professional makeup artist, and actually I am not in Mumbai. I am in Navi Mumbai right now at my sister's place. So we were having some free time, so we were thinking what to do. Then finally she said we can do a nice traditional makeup look, so we have created this Indian traditional makeup look today. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please continue watching.
ओके सो गाइस, सबसे पहले यहाँ पे मेरी सिस्टर ने यूज़ किया है मामा अर्थ का लाइट मॉइस्चराइज़र. दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस एंड लाइट मॉइस्चराइज़र एंड इट गिव्स नाइस हाइड्रेशन टू योर फेस. For the oil, she has used Good Vibes tea tree oil. It is a nice hydrating facial oil. And next, for the eye base, she has used Kryolan's eye base concealer. This is in the shade FS22. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे उसने एक वेट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से कंसीलर ब्लेंड किया है. एंड फॉर दी सेटिंग दैट आई बेस शी हैज़ यूज Maybelline's Fit Me compact powder in the shade I think light beige. For the eyeshadow today she has used Beauty Glaze 36 eyeshadow palette. From that palette उसने यूज़ किया है डार्क पर्पल ब्लू शेड, बिकॉज मेरे सारे का कलर ब्लू होने की वजह से एज अ ट्रांजिशन शेड शी हैज़ यूज अ डार्क पर्पल शेड. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्लफी ब्रश वो प्रॉपरली आई शेडो ब्लेंड कर रही है. So today she is going to do the cut crease eye makeup. So for that she has again used the same concealer and she is applying it and cutting the crease with a small flat brush. And for the glitter she is using here Swiss Beauty metallic liquid eyeshadow. The eyeshadow which I have used in my previous video. You can check out my previous video if you haven't watched it yet. The shimmers are not so visible on camera, but off camera it was looking really nice and blingy. Here she is blending the edges so it will be not any harsh line visible. And for highlighting my brow bone she has used Sivana color shimmer highlighter. So whatever fallout is there she is cleaning up that. For covering my dark circles and dark spot on my face she has again used shade from the Kryolan's palette. I will link all the shade names in the description box. Because it is a cream based product you have to be very quick and your makeup blending technique should be really nice and good, because sometimes what happens whenever you use the cream product it is really difficult to blend. Next, for the foundation she has used the Maybelline's Superstay foundation and pack foundation. She has mixed both the colors and that is my shade. So she had applied on my face and now again with the wet beauty blender she is blending it foundation. And next, for the setting my face she has used Maybelline's Fit Me compact powder. For the lower lash line, she has again taken the same shade which she has used previously, the blue, dark blue shade, and she is applying it on my lower lash line. For eyebrow filling, she has used Miss Claire eyebrow kit, and from that kit she has taken the ash brown shade and filling my brows. For the kajal, here she has used L'Oreal gel eyeliner. This is the Black Magic gel liner, and she is applying it on my waterline. It is very nice and long lasting eyeliner, but you can use as a kajal also. And she is highlighting my inner corners of the eyes with the same Sivana color brick highlighter. And for the contouring, यहाँ पे she has used Sugar Cosmetic Trio palette, which is having blush, highlighter and contour powder, and with the same chocolate brown contour powder she has contouring my nose over here with a small fluffy brush. And next, for the blush, she has used Maybelline's Fit Me blush in the shade pink. This is very nice and subtle pink blush. You can wear it as a regular basis, on everyday basis as well. And for the highlighter, she has used Sivana Colors brick highlighter. She's highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow and my forehead. Here she has put eyelashes. I don't know the brand, but I think this is the very random brand we have bought. I guess this is from Amazon. And then she is finishing the look with applying mascara. This is the mascara from the brand Maybelline. Here she is outlining my lips with the red lip liner. And for the lipstick, she has used Nykaa's Bullet lipstick. I don't know the shade, but I'll put it in the description box, the shade name and everything. She's applying the lipstick with a small brush. Next, for the setting my face, she has used Faces Canada setting spray.
Okay, so guys, this is the final look which we have achieved. I just love this look. I love how this look turned out. All thanks to my sister. She has dolled up me, my hairs, my makeup. She has put eyelashes also. So guys, if you love this video, if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.